Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Stock number 28285T. This one is black in color. Got the turn signals here and the fender flares. Now what I like about this one in particular is it doesn't have the bumper that covers the front wheels. I really like that look. That smaller front bumper, it's more practical, like what I would use it for. We got the winch here behind the front bumper. This is a heavy duty front bumper, by the way. LED fog lights, red tow hooks. We even got the factory look on inside of the front bumper. Heat reduction hood. Stock feature on the JL Rubicon. Now this Jeep does have a 3-inch lift done to it thanks to the fellas down at Rocky Ridge Trucks. Got a nice set of 20-inch wheels with 37-inch tires, Mickey Thompson's. Heat reduction fender. We got the infab running boards. Inside here we got powers, locks, windows, mirrors. Windows are in the center console, sorry about that. We also have premium leather seating. It's got Rubicon stitched right into it. This Jeep is 4-wheel drive, touchscreen radio, backup camera, climate control options. You also have media center options here, USB-C and USB with an auxiliary cord option. Locking differential and disconnecting sway bar. Got your cruise control, hands-free controls and controls for your gauge cluster, as well as easy access to tuning the radio and volume just at your fingertips. Something to keep in mind about Jeeps, these do have a removable 3-piece hardtop freedom top, meaning you can just take these front 2 sections off and leave this back on, or you can take it all off. Mine personally would probably have everything off and the doors. Real nice weave design back here for back of the seat. We do have power windows here. A couple more USB options for charging. Speakers in the overhead. Got a nice cup holder that doubles as a headrest in the back of the seat here. And these seats do fold down. This is just a cover for your hard tops. But it gives you a peace of mind of knowing that you could fit a bunch of camping gear in here if you needed to. Got the heavy duty rear bumper. License plate mount here, red hooks. Wheel. They did something cool here. They got the grill look right by the rear view camera. We also got some heavy duty action here so you don't put all this stress on your factory hinges. Opens pretty effortlessly, especially with a heavy tire on there. This vehicle does have premium sound, Alpine speakers all the way around, with a subwoofer here in the rear. Nice little storage area. If you want to take the door hinges off, you got put your bolts here. The roof and the windshield also folds down for those of you that aren't familiar with Jeeps. Custom Rocky Ridge badging. Just beautiful, beautiful Jeeps that Rocky Ridge builds for us. They would still hold a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty, and all factory warranty is with it as well. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Rocky Ridge edition. Stock number 28285T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, SherryChrysler.com. Also, Sherry4x4.com.